Hi folks, Richard here, Irish Pens. Just a quick video to show you how to change the refill in the Rhodia ballpoint pen. So, simple situation, it's a clicker pen, so you press on the clicker, out pops the refill, in goes the refill. To change the refill on the pen, you hold the pen like so, you unscrew the tip section, so unscrew the big spring pops out. There's your long spring on the tip section. Don't lose the spring, bend the spring, break the spring. Just leave it be, because that's what makes the pen work. The refill is inside the pen. It doesn't want to come out. You hear it? Because the refill doesn't want to fall out, won't fall out. All you gently do is you put some gentle pressure on the refill and give it a little tug, and out it comes. So the refill has come out. So now that's your standard Rhodia refill. It's got no cap, this has got an open end here and the ballpoint is this end. So you take your new refill and you want to put it into the pen. As with any pen, ballpoint, fountain pen, rollerball, if you're putting something together on a pen, no pressure should be needed. It's not designed to be forced into place. Everything should be relatively smooth. So you take your refill, slide it into the barrel of the pen, and then you will feel a little bit of resistance where the pen is going to then fit back into its, or the refill is going to fit back into its little slot. So when you feel that resistance, a gentle push, that's all it takes, a gentle little push, and in it goes. So the refill is now back in place. See, doesn't want to fill out. You know it's in there. That just took a gentle push. Don't push it against your hand, force it against the worktop. It doesn't need that. If it's gone in right, it goes in gently and you'll feel that movement. You then take your spring and you put the refill back down the spring, taking time just to slide it into the spring. Don't force it, don't bend it, just slide it in and screw the top on, and you're back ready to go again, and your pen is now working. Okay, so that's how you replace the refill. If you ever get a problem with the clicker end of this pen, I'm not saying you've done anything wrong. I'm not blaming you at all. I'm just saying if that clicker stops working, it could be because you've put the refill back in incorrectly. So unscrew the end, take out the refill, repeat the process, put it all back together where it's a nice, easy, slow motion with no force being required. Put back on your cap or your tip end and you should be back working again. If for some reason that doesn't work, as with all our pens, we don't make this pen, we resell this pen. But with this pen or any pen that we sell, if it's not working, give me a phone call, send me an email, send me a WhatsApp, let me know what the problem is. We'll try and sort something out over the phone or by email. If that doesn't work, get the pen back to us, we'll get it fixed and we get it back to you again. So, because it's obviously a pen that doesn't write is of no use to anybody. Our goal is to give you a pen that keeps writing. So contact us, between us, we'll get it sorted out. So anyway, that's it. That's the Rhodia ballpoint pen refill change and how to do it. Thanks for listening. Chat to you sometime in the future.